We're going to be rewriting subtraction sentences as addition sentences today. Did you know that subtraction and addition are related? We can use the same numbers in a different order to create a new sentence. So let me show you what I mean. This first subtraction sentence says 5 minus 2 equals 3. I can rewrite that sentence as an addition sentence if I just move the numbers around. This is kind of like fact family work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my numbers and I'm going to go backwards. That's why there's this bright green arrow there telling you to go backwards. So I'm going to start at the end and I'm going to pull my 3 over to the front of my addition sentence. 3 plus, I'm going to continue going backwards. My next number is a 2. That goes in the middle. 3 plus 2 equals, continuing going backwards, and my last number is 5. Now let's double check that to make sure that it is actually a true sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. If I have 3 and I count on 2 more, 4, 5, I do see that it does equal 5. That's pretty magical, isn't it? When I rewrite a subtraction sentence as an addition sentence, all I have to do is go backwards. Go ahead and complete the rest of your subtraction sentences to addition sentences over here on the side. And when you're all done, turn it in so your teacher can see your excellent addition sentences.